Every meme coin starts the same way: big promises, big hype, and big dreams. But despite all that excitement, almost all meme coins eventually go to zero. Today, I'll show you why, using simple math, not opinions. This is the rug pull math most people never see. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. Meme coins look exciting on the surface, but when you look at the numbers behind them, a very different story appears. In this video, I'll explain why 99% of meme coins fail, step by step, in plain English. Let's break it down. How meme coins are created. Most meme coins launch without a product, without revenue, and without a long-term plan. Their entire value depends on one thing: people buying them. When buyers rush in, the price rises. When buyers stop, the price crashes. Failure isn't accidental, it's built into the structure. The supply problem. Imagine a meme coin with 1 trillion tokens. The creator usually owns a massive portion, often between 20 and 50%, acquired at near zero cost. If the price rises even slightly, those early holders can sell and walk away with real money. That selling pressure overwhelms demand and pushes the price down. This isn't bad luck. It's basic math. Liquidity, the hidden trap. Liquidity is the money available to buy and sell a coin. Most meme coins have very little of it. A small group of buyers can push the price up fast, but when early holders start selling, liquidity drains quickly. New buyers then discover they can't exit without crashing the price. That quiet collapse is the rug pull, and it's where beginners usually lose. The timing problem. For someone to profit, someone else has to buy later at a higher price. That means most gains come from being early. But only a few people can actually be early. Most buyers arrive after the hype, funding the exits of those who came before them. This makes meme coins a negative-sum game for the majority of participants. Survivorship bias. You constantly hear about the winners. You almost never hear about the thousands of failed coins. One success story hides hundreds of losses, creating the illusion that meme coins work. In reality, the odds are stacked against new investors. Why 99% eventually go to zero? Without a real product, there's no lasting demand. When hype fades, buying slows down, but selling continues. Over time, price naturally trends toward zero. That isn't pessimism, it's gravity. Why people still play the game. Fast gains feel exciting. Social media amplifies wins while losses stay silent. Emotion beats logic, until the math shows up. Meme coins don't fail because people are stupid. They fail because the system rewards early exits, not long-term holders. Understanding the math is how you protect your money. Would you ever buy a meme coin knowing this? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video. What is a rug pull? Real examples explained simply.